सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम अगेन। जैसा कि हमने कल ये लेक्चर जो मैंने दिया है जेनेटिक्स पर, पहले मैंने जेनेटिक्स की डिफिनीशन बताई, उसके बाद मैंने इसमें जो सब टॉपिक है मेंडलिज्म, तो मेंडलिज्म का उसकी ब्रीफ लाइफ हिस्ट्री के बारे में डिस्कस किया। तो उसके बाद हमने उसका एक्सपेरिमेंट जो मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था उसके बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया। तो आज का जो टॉपिक है रिगार्डिंग दिस मेंडलिज्म, हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे कि वेरियस क्रॉसेस, जो भी क्रॉसेस मेंडल ने उसमें किए हैं वो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। यम क्रॉस के ड्यूरिंग हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट यम क्रॉसेस मेंडल के वो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो अगर तो याद है इस क्रॉस में मेंडल ये क्रॉसिंग को आसमान मेंडल जो प्लांट वन वाज टॉल एंड अदर वाज डॉर्फ, यानी ड्यूरिंग हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट यम साथ मेंडल एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन कर तो यम साथ क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन कर या हाइब्रिडाइजेशन कर अत मज वो अम साथ वन ही टुक 7 पेयर्स ऑफ कंट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स। तो तथ मज दिस प्लांट हाइट, तो प्लांट हाइट यम साथ वुचन अत मज वन पेयर, वन इज टॉल अदर इट इज डॉर्फ। तो सपोज ये अगर थवन मेल ये थवन फीमेल, यानी यह डार्क अत करो मैस्कुलेशन, यानी ये डार्क प्लांट या डार्क प्लांट अत करो मेल प्लांट कड़ो नगर अत करो मैस्कुलेशन। तो ये टाल प्लांट अम प्लांट मज तुलो एंथर सह बर्स्ट अत पे, यानी क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन। तो मेंडल यम साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट कोर एक्सपेरिमेंट वुचन यम साथ यम पे क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन गई, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन पे गई फर्टिलाइजेशन, तो पत कर मेंडल सीड्स कलेक्ट तम कर वापस कत जमीनस में सो ही ऑब्जर्व दैट all plants were tall in F1 जनरेशन। ये मैंने साथ बुश से देखा कि जो F1 जनरेशन यहाँ से निकले उसमें सारे के सारे प्लांट्स क्या है, टाल है। तो दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज F1 हाइब्रिड। F1 hybrid, यानी इन प्लांट्स अराइव इन सेमी प्लांट इन टाल इन हाइट या इन टाल कैरेक्टर। हालांकि इन इज अ प्लांट वन वाज डार्क अदर वाज डार्क, मगर F1 जनरेशन में जब से देखा कि सारे के सारे प्लांट्स क्या थी, टाल थी। तो अमिस खासी खबर डार्क कैरेक्टर या डार्क प्लांट यह कोत को अत में गई मिक्सिंग या मे बी देयर मे बी मिक्सिंग ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स और ब्लेंडिंग ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स, मगर यह तंब्लो कह ही कैरी दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन। तो अम पे कर प्लांट यमो पे सीड्स कलेक्ट, मैं ऑलरेडी बने कि सीड्स कलेक्ट करने के बाद उसने इनको दोबारा सो किया जमीन में। तो यहाँ से प्लांट्स जब आए उन सीड्स में, जब ये जर्मिनेट हो गए तो क्या हुआ, प्लांट्स निकल आए बट बोथ टॉल एंड डार्क। यानी हम साथ में क्या करें टॉल प्लांट एंड डार्क प्लांट यम साथ क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन कर, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन मज क्या कर फर्टिलाइजेशन गई, सीड्स आए तम सीड्स कर कलेक्ट तम कर सो जमीन मज तम पे तम जर्मिनेट गए ऑन जर्मिनेशन ही ऑब्जर्व दैट इन F1 जनरेशन ऑल प्लांट्स वर टॉल। But he carried this experiment on, he collected seeds from these F1 plants or F1 hybrid plants। उसके बाद उसने दोबारा इनको सो किया, सो करने के बाद जब उसने देखा कि both plants tall as well as got germinated or come out, मगर रेशो जो था, रेशो उसमें क्या था 3:1, रेशो that was 3:1। कोई एक पुष्मेंडल अगर ये F1 जनरेशन में गोडने में टाल डार्क क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन फर्टिलाइजेशन अच्छा गए पत सीड्स तम साथ जर्मिनेट कर तक द्राय सिर्फ टाल प्लांट्स ये तो तेल गो व्हाट हैपेंड टू दिस डार्क कैरेक्टर। तो पत साथ F2 जनरेशन कर उसने इसमें देखा कि जो ये डार्क कैरेक्टर इट गेट्स एग्जिस्टेड इन F2 जनरेशन। तो M1 एक्चुअली डार्क कैरेक्टर रावन की या मिक्सिंग कैरेक्टर्स या ब्लेंडिंग कैरेक्टर्स बट देन व्हाट हैपेंस एक्चुअली यूजुअली डार्क कैरेक्टर यह एक्चुअली रेसेसिव, दिस इज रेसेसिव कैरेक्टर आर ट्रेट। तो यूजुअली एक्चुअली डोमिनेंट, this character is dominant in Mendelism is actually F1 is narration of the tall, yes, dominant as a tall character, तो डार्क recessive तम साथ F1 generation recessive trait रोजान hidden and in F1 generation this recessive character or trait remains hidden, only dominant character gets expressed. So these characters are called as question define what is the difference between dominant and recessive characters. Dominant ones, these are those traits or characters which get expressed in F1 generation. F1 generation. Those characters which get expressed in F1 generation, they are called as dominant characters. And those characters which remain hidden, they do not get expressed in F1 characters, they are called as recessive characters. The in F2 generation, both tall as well as dark gets expressed in the ratio of 3:1. Let's clear. Part 1 in tall character. I'm going to show substance tall character control. Tall plants substance या dark plants substance usually length plant length control that is called as by him as factor, and the substance which controls the characters in plants that may be tall or in the substance that controls the traits or characters, they are called as, according to Mendel, as factor. Yeah, factors one is one Mendel, and those substances. Yeah, there are some substances which control. ऐसा लिखो आप, those substances which control traits or characters, or which load these characters or traits, then transfer them into F1 generation. And in characters or traits, you must control by a substance. That substance is what Mendel now factor. So later on it was Johnson in 1905. He called this factor as gene. And later कहा गया कि by Johnson ने उस term को जो Mendel ने कहा क्या factor है, तो factor इसका character और trait को control करता है, उसके बाद उसको transfer करता है from one generation to another generation. He called it as factor. But later on this factor was called as gene. Nowadays we are saying that genes are the substances which load characters and transmit them from one generation to another generation, or they control the characters. Clear? हमारे Mendel factor ये उनका gene. तो ये जिस वन फार उन साथ है कि ये factor क्या है या gene एक उन साथ object है. The gene in Mendel's terminology is called as factor. या the factor in present day terminology is called as gene. तो ये वन फाइन खातर से शासन ये capital T is a dark and small t. The T for plant height. Agar it capital T है, then it may be for tallness. Agar it small t है, then it means that it's for recessiveness. वो capital का tall का is capital T, dark का is clear. So बात करें इसमें हम साथ ये before pollination again gametes. सब pollen grain का संचय. इसमें 12 details में पढ़ना सेक्शन बात reproduction flowering plants में आपने पढ़ना है ये. तो before pollination, pollen grains are formed, yeah, gametes are produced. वो इतने परसेंट ये plant इंसान sex organs इंसान natural gas नहीं मानते. So they will produce gametes. वो these are called as parents. तो ये किस्म के लिए ये gametes. These will be called as gametes. These are called as gametes. वो यहाँ पर कितने gametes? Capital T, small t. Clear? And you can put in cross pollination in a show. These are called as gametes. So gametes pollination, fertilization, gametes fuse. There is no probability. Mathematics as well as statistical analysis. There is chance. There is probability. Gamete कुछ class के cross. ठीक? वो ये समझिए capital T small t. ये है कि yes considered capital T small t Yafti है yes करें capital T small t ये है कि yes तो जो उस that's called as capital T small t. हालांकि capital T should present small t should present. Though these plants are called as F1 hybrid plants.
Yes, sir.
They are called as F1 hybrid plants. So they are not. They are not. Yet some specification that small t should या dark character should not say I can mix doesn't can, but it remains hidden.
Yes, sir.
But it remains hidden. मगर वहीं क्या should express क्या should dominant. जो tall character should you should suppress करना. You should have express दिवन गसन के ताबे शेष या करन dominant trait या character या चीज करन recessive trait or recessive character is ना F1 generation में सब expression गसन के पर किन साथ में इन द सारी tall plants ये में plants नहीं पाते it's more capital T small t in F1 generation again more F1 generation in the plants or suppose there is male था female for example go these are called as parents human knows parents ये कितने gametes capital T small t ये कितने capital T small t ठीक है वो इन साथ में poly these are called as gametes now there will be pollination there will be fertilization ये capital T right this ये capital T है yes capital T small t ये capital T small t ये small t वापस गो यम साथ मिशन छो यम त्रे प्लांट्स सिम छ यम आसे तार तो ये प्लांट क्या है तार तो गो रेशियो क्या है 3:1 गो अगर मेंडलन हाफ प्लांट या फॉर एग्जांपल ये 4 प्लांट मेंडल टू हार इज एक्सपेरिमेंट फॉर एग्जांपल 400 प्लांट्स F1 जनरेशन में देन ग्राहक के लिए तार हाफ के लिए डार वो अगर यम 0 रेशियो 3:1 रेशियो है वापस गो मेंडलन जो तो तार प्लांट एज में dark blue as female and but pushing F1 generation was I say tall and though in soon it here menu tall as male dark blue as female खबर I'm still ma wo male just much tall I'm still not a problem अवैधा tall होता in कोई sex reverse in reverse मतलब क्या हो and blue ये as female कुछ tall as female dark as male यानी यह मस करन emasculation ये मस कर मेल नेवर तो ये मेल तुम कर 10 या फीमेल स्टिग्मा हस्बैंड गई क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन सतन गए एम बुश एफ एम सीरीज करें क्या सो गन अद्राई बे प्लांट्स एफ प्लांट्स है बेटा गो एम मुन ये छुन मेल यानी सेक्स छुन ऐसे इफेक्ट करन के यानी इन दिस केसेस सेक्स हैव नो रोल It is because of dominant or recessive. You should character, you should trait, you should dominant or recessive. अगर ये dominant है, ये कैसे express करना है? F1 generation में. अगर ये recessive है, ये कैसे निरोज hidden के F1. तो आठ classes में. I couldn't check sex change. One is also taught from as male. ये उसमें थोड़ा as female. दो इनमें से थोड़ा white male, ये थोड़ा male. आठ classes is from this class is called as reciprocal cross. This cross is called as reciprocal cross. One साथ में board examples में question है. What is reciprocal cross? What is reciprocal cross? In a reciprocal cross, yet manzan Mendelian godnethan tall plant as male new, dark plant as female new, then pat cross pollination. Magar yet manzan chis karan pat karan change when you tall as female, the dark new as male, then pat kar. वो मुश it is not sex or it is not maleness or femaleness that affects the expression of traits in F1 generation, but it is the character which is it may be dominant. It will get expressed in F1 generation. If the character is recessive, it will remain hidden in F1 generation. And a team character, yams are dominant, team gets express F1 generation. So hum recessive gets express. You should put so this class is called as reciprocal cross. Clear? No clear. I'm going to go some way. Then you get only on various crosses in the Mendelian scale. You may follow some of those. And for the new, for example, Mendelian tall will be denoted as capital T. This will be denoted as small t. So, in some other Mendelian Mendelian tall plant, I drive F1 very tall.
Yes, sir.
Path in F2 generation was in bush, I draw home to home. The bush otam nebrium dal. You have nebri dal for external features.
Yes, sir.
External morphologies. That is called as phenotype. As terminology that is called as phenotype. And a phenotype refers to external features, external characters, or external morphology of an organism. The plant is cross pollination, pathway seals so at the right target, which is nebri. Why am I genetic constitution? Genes, chromosomes, you effect cash, expression cash, time certain term is that is called as genotype. That is called as genotype. Phenotype refers to external features. Genotype refers to genetic constitution. It refers to genetic constitution. Genetic constitution can something board exams define genotype or phenotype. What is the difference between genotype? Yeah, kun satan entrance must take objective. Genetic constitution refers to phenotype refers to external features. Genotype refers to this is called as phenotype. But genetic constitution is capital T, small t. This may be called as genotype. So these are parents. Gametes. We banana capital T, capital. These are called as gametes. Small t. These are big female. These are sperms. Yeah, it's male. Suppose it's male, it's female. Sperms, eggs. This will be male gamete, this will be female gamete. Pollination, pollination, fertilization. Capital T, small t. Yes, capital T, small t, because of probability one is. T is on true, yes, capital T, small t. Yes, capital T, small t. Yes, is called as F1 generation. So it plants as top. And F1 generation windows, so it plants F1 hybrid. These are called as F1 hybrid. Pure acid, all are top. But all are top. Hybrid top. But himself is called Mendelian is F generation. Capital T, small t. Eponymous capital T, small t. Suppose someone male, someone is female. Go F, this is F1 hybrid. Ye gametes, capital T, small t. Ye gametes, capital T, small t. Go, I think something is here. Go ye capital T, capital T, capital T. Ye yes, then yes, capital T, small t. Ye yes, capital T, small t. Yes, small t. Yum classic tall, one popular. Yum classic tall. You can say tall. Restriction. She is to one. But this is called as phenotypic restriction. Guys, it says nearly external emission is. Mother once the genetic constitution shows. Ya size. Pure tall. Yum size. Hybrid tall. What size? Go yak ratio is phenotypic ratio. This 3:1 ratio is called as phenotypic ratio. This is called as phenotypic ratio. So you have exams board exam phenotypic ratio. This is also called as Mendelian ratio. This is also called as Mendelian ratio. 3:1. The entrance the Mendelian ratio is equal to the phenotypic ratio that is equal to 3:1. Phenotypic ratio into Mendelian ratio into the usual 1 is 2:1. This may be called as genotypic ratio. And this is called as genotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio. Yes, my question is 1 is pure tall, 2 are hybrid tall, and 1 is dark. Clear? And but yes, correct test. That is chart. Chart is for him. And you usually F1 hybrid. Yes, it was F1 hybrid. F1 hybrid capital T, small t. This is called as F1 hybrid. एम कर काम एम न्यू F1 हाइब्रिड तम पतन कोन क्रॉस इकासन homozygous recessive ब्याक टर्म मतलब homozygous छे पन तथ कंडीशन यम सातन सेम genetic constitution आस देख ब्याक टर्म these are called as terminology in Mendelism. When what are the terms we use in Mendelism terminology? When that's called as terminology. This is called as homozygous. Homozygous which has same genetic constitution. That has same genetic constitution. That is called as homozygous. For example, capital T, small t, capital A, whatever may be, वो दशक इसे capital आसन या दशक इसे recessive आसन, that may be called as homozygous. पर अगर दशक small है, homozygous recessive, अगर दशक is capital, homozygous dominant. तो why is it different? Actually, it is capital T to small t. It is homozygous. This is not homozygous, but this is called as heterozygous. This may be called as heterozygous. Then there is a different genetic constitution. Either it may be capital T or small t, capital A, small a, whatever it may be there. So we can call it as heterozygous. Then the genetic constitution is different. Yes, must go same. Go M for Mendelian क्या कर हम mu F1 hybrid and cross it with homozygous recessive. यानी ये the cross in which Mendel crossed F1 hybrid with homozygous recessive parent. तो शायद क्या यानी क्रॉस में Mendel को यत में क्या करते हैं हम F1 hybrid ये को क्रॉस पालनेट विद homozygous recessive. It's already developed him. It's not better condition for my color, shape. It's not only recessive itself. And homozygous recessive. And the cross which involves crossing of F1 hybrid with homozygous recessive parent, it is called as test cross. So this cross is called as test cross. Test cross means that in exams we explain test cross. One thing I definition पता आसी मैं उन cross या मतलब Mendelian F1 hybrid cross or with homozygous recessive parent. अच्छे से test cross. वो अगर ऐसे shows these are parents. ये क्या सही है? Gametes capital T ये पर क्या है? Small t ये उसमें क्या है? Small t. वो अगर ऐसे मैं pollination है fertilization कैसे? Crossing में capital T small t ये radius क्या बने? capital T small t ये क्या सब है? small t या क्या सब है? small t यह मतलब अगर वो shows 50% population will be hybrid or 50 will be dark. Go उन साथी के object the entrance in test cross this progeny the ratio of progeny will be 50% to is 2 1 50% will be dark but hybrid and 50% will be dark. ये कुछ साथ objective या तो है suppose there is a plant having genotype capital T small t it put out entrances objective. Suppose a plant with genotype capital T small t is crossed with small t. वो I think ऐसे याद करो this is test cross. वो अगर ऐसा question if F1 hybrid या this plant with genotype capital T small t is crossed with a plant with genotype small t, what will be the ratio in that generation? So that is what figure it out here. Use cross to वो तंपन शुद्ध गैल के दिन के but you have to make a cross. Clear cut you have to make a cross. Gametes बनाओ तंपन crossing करें तंपन शुद्ध ratio क्या है ना Mendelian को ये है ना Mendelian उसको देखना था कि suppose if either मैंने पहले लिया था क्या tall dark उसके बाद sex में reverse किया change किया उसके बाद अब मैं देखूँ अगर मैं ये plant ले लूँ F1 hybrid उसको cross करूँ किसके साथ homozygous recessive के साथ देखते हैं कि रिजल्ट क्या आएगा वो एमस चेक कर. So that is why this is called as test cross. Clear? You got it or test cross. Base मजन कर कौन Mendelian समझ ब्याह cross कोड आत्मा यून F1 hybrid F1 hybrid capital T क्या करो ये है ये तो थोड़ा बहुत फिर ये है बिना तो हाँ ये बात का कैरेक्टर निमा seed shape निमो seed color निमो flower color निमो या बाकी वो ये सही कर हमारा माइंड पूरा सही है इस करो ये है repeat वो बेस ऑफ करें मैंने तो हम ये took F1 hybrid ठीक उसके बाद उसको क्रॉस किया with either of the parents यानी क्रॉस with capital T small t या ये पहले तो capital T capital T. Yes, sir. So this is dominant character. This is recessive parent. Go यंग साधन F1 generation या ये पहले person let's suppose numeration capital T
Yes, sir.
हाँ ये जैसे small t these are parents F1 generation के लिए capital shorts capital T small t है
Yes,
F1 generation मतलब सुन लेकिन shorts
Yes, sir.
F1 generation this is F1 generation या F1 hybrid F1 hybrid विंकस को वार्डन को Mendelian यस्टन क्रॉस उसके बाद किसके साथ विथ homozygous recessive के साथ किया either of the parents.
Yes, sir.
यम साथ में F1 hybrid क्रॉस करो with either of the parents या हूँ it's just choice.
Yes, sir.
Here we have choice either dominant pair or recessive pair. Go the cross in which F1 hybrid is crossed with either of the parents. Either of the parents. That means either with dominant or tall or recessive or tall. That cross is called as back cross. That is called as back cross. Go sucross, yet was choice. We can either cross it with a tall plant or we can cross it with a dark plant. So this cross is called as back cross. But you have to test cross only hybrid with homozygous recessive. It is more yaad. What is your then what is the difference? Here we have choice. We can cross it with either F1 hybrid or we can cross it with this. So this may be called as back cross. What case test cross. So you must crosses and what is monohybrid cross that will take tomorrow. Thank you.